Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Renee. This unboxing part is going to be really quick. So this is my December Azure Standard haul. I got another, I think this is a 20-pound box of juicing apples. So I'm gonna make primarily with the most of this, if not all of it, this is for juicing. And then next, I got another 2 gallon or 2 point, what is this? 2 gallons, I think. This is gonna be for like flour and stuff like that. And the next box I have, this is on sale. This is organic rice. So this is brown and red rice. Where is the organic brown and red rice? Okay, so next I got rice puffs. So I got 3 bags of these, and this is kind of like, the Rice Krispies. These are organic brown rice. Where is, oh, up here. So these I'm going to use to make snacks like healthy Rice Krispie treats. And the last things I got was rolled oats, spelt flour, and dark rye flour. The rye flour is mostly for bread. Rolled oats mostly for granola. And the spelt flour is just, like all-purpose flour. Or unless I'm baking something that needs to be, because I do also have the all-purpose organic flour, but this is more like, I guess, whatever I'm baking that doesn't need like a fine crumb. And last, I got some vitamin D3. I'm trying some different brands. So I saw Azure had this one. This is all what it has in it.